Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the implementation of the graph data structure. We are going to use the ArrayList data structure in Java to implement the graph. In this video, we are going to see the adjacency list representation of a graph. So first of all, we need to implement the ArrayList. So import java.util.ArrayList class. So now we need to create a class called graph, and we need an adjacency list over here. So we will create an array list object. uh, we are considering every data element as an integer, so we are creating an array list of type integer. We will name it as graph, and we will allocate the memory to it during the runtime by the constructor. We will declare another variable v, that is the number of nodes. So now I will create a constructor. In the constructor, we will pass the number of nodes and assign it to that. Now we have to allocate the memory to the graph. So graph assign new array list of type array list of type integer. Now we have to allocate the memory to each array list present in our main array list. So for that, I'm going to use a for loop. For int I assign 0, I should be less than v I plus plus, and then I'm just going to add for graph dot get of I assign new array list of type integer, and also bracket over here. So graph is set up now. I think it's saying something. Okay, what's the problem? Left hand side of assignment must be a variable, so it wants it to be a variable. So okay, so actually it is showing this error because we can't do this like that, because we don't have an array list right now, so we can't use the get function. So we have to add these array list to our graph. So it will add all of them to the graph. So it will be loop, because it's going to execute v number of times, that is the number of nodes, and add all these lists. So now let us see an example and add the nodes to the graph. Let me create another function, print graph. It will show us all the nodes. Before that, you have to create an add edge function. Void add edge. It will take two parameters, the source and the destination node. So v comma u, and we have to add it to the graph. So gra graph graph dot add graph dot get of v dot add u, and similarly for vice versa for the next, because it is an undirected graph, so we have to create a path for both the nodes, get of u dot add v. And the print graph, we are going through each and every node. So for int I assign 0, I should be less than v I plus plus. We are going to print a node, so node I, and then we need to print for index in graph dot get of I, and for each of them we just need to print out. So okay, so it will print the x values, and just try to run this code and see the output. First we have to create a graph object, g assign new graph, provide a number of nodes, that is 5. Now we need to add some nodes to it. Suppose we add 0 to 1, and just copy this function, paste multiple times, Now add 2 to 3 to 2. We can add 2 to 4, 4 to 1, 2 to 0, and I think that's all, and one more for this, and 3 to 1. Now we should try to print the graph. So g dot print graph, and let's see the output what we get. I think we should change the line so that it is formatted properly. So println, so it will change the line for us. Okay, so now it's running. Let me show you the window. So in this you can see for the node I, so here it should print the value actually. So I'm just going to change it to plus I. Okay, so from node 0 you can go to 1 and 2. Similarly from 1 you can go to 0, and from 2 you can also go to 0. So that's how our graph will actually look. So I hope you understand this implementation for the graph. This is our complete code in case you want to copy it or write it. I hope you like the video. If you want to see much more videos regarding graph or another topic, please feel free to comment in the comment box given below. In the next video, we will see different algorithms regarding the graphs like BFS, GFS, and other implementations, along with some more interview questions. So till then, goodbye.